Alright, these are my dogs, Bunny and Buckeye. Bunny, she's scared. I guess she's a little bit nervous. Bunny, well, she is more brave. Bunny's a girl. She's more brave than Buckeye. He is a boy. Come here. Buckeye, come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Buckeye. Buckeye. Can you say hi to the camera? Bunny, can you say hi to the camera? Can you say hi to the camera, Buckeye? Oh, that's a good boy. Well, yep. These are my dogs. Bunny, a long time ago. Well, she's 6 years old, but we got her from the back of a pickup truck for free at Walmart. Buckeye, he's 6 years old. Look, he's eating. We got him from our friend's dogs. One of the dogs had puppies. So we took Buckeye when he was this little baby. They've been friends ever since.